of Myers Best Gourmet Express, and I want to thank you for joining me today. And today we're making crab cakes with a lemon aioli. So our first step that we're going to do is I'm going over my stove, and I'm going to crank the heat a bit. Get this, there's 2 tablespoons of butter in here. I'm going to get that melted. And into that, I'm going to add some minced garlic. And I'm going to add some finely diced lemon and some diced red pepper. Now, I'm going to get this started. It has to saute a little bit. I just want the onion to get a little bit translucent, and then we'll go into the next step. So what I wanted to talk about today was living your life in intention. Now, what I mean by that is setting yourself up for the day. What are your intentions? So if you want to start out your day in a crabby, negative mood, you're going to go out there and you're going to be like, get out of my way, blah, 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 I'm on a mission. And you know what? That's what the universe is going to send back to you. So me, I try to just have a lot of calm in the morning. I like to meditate, deep breathing, talk to my higher power, and set my intentions in a positive way. And you know what? That just changes your whole world. If you go out there in a positive mood and you're kind and you're considerate, even when others aren't to you, it just makes for a way better living experience. Anyway, this is ready to go. So to this, I'm going to add saltine crackers that I have ground really fine. It's about a 1/2 cup. And I'm also going to add some panko, about a 1/2 cup. And we're just going to stir that all into the butter and the vegetables until the butter coats it. And it's beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to shut that off. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to take our crab meat. Now, I just bought good quality crab meat. It's a little expensive. If you can afford it and you want to treat yourself, go for it, but you don't have to. Regular canned crab meat's fine. So you take that and you put it in a bowl. And I'm going to season this with Worcestershire. And I've got a mixture of Old Bay and dry mustard, and that's going in. And we'll give that a little stir. And then I'm going to, I forgot my mustard. Bad, Myra. Then you're going to add about a 1/2 cup of mayo, 1 egg, and you're going to incorporate this all together, giving it a good stir. And then I'm going to go back over and get the breadcrumb mixture that we made. And that's going to go right into here. Finished. And then we're going to fold it in. So that's your finished product. Now the next step is you're going to take a baking sheet lined with tin foil, and you're going to form this into patties and place it onto your tin foil covered pan. Now at that point, you're going to want to put it in the fridge to set up. An hour, even longer, is better. And I've already done that, so I'm going to pull them over here. I'm going to take the pan I already used, crank up the heat, and into that I'm going to put some olive oil. And I'm gonna let that heat up. I just like to get it a little hot before I put them in so that you get a nice finish on them. Then you just put your crab cakes in, and you want to brown them on each side about 3 minutes per side. While these are browning, I'm going to go over and we'll make the lemon aioli. And for this, you're going to take your mayonnaise, my favorite, dill pickles, and as you can see, they're finely chopped. Capers, finely chopped. A little bit more minced garlic. Some lemon juice. And my favorite, a little sriracha sauce. And some dill. And some mustard. And you're just gonna give that a really good stir. And this too, I would stick into the fridge to let it set up, but it actually can be used right away. Let's go check on the process of our crab cakes. Oh, looking good. I have a girlfriend, and I love what she sends her kids off with during the day. She always says, I love you, make good and kind decisions. Now, if that isn't setting your intentions right, I don't know what is. So then you have your finished crab cakes. They go right on. I like to serve it with a little salad on the side. And then you can just dribble your sauce onto your salad part. Give it a good little dab on each crab cake, and you're ready to go. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.